Step 2. We need the bag B3, one or two of these, I don't really know, and one stepper driver, of course. The guys on the Facebook group and the videos say that the motor is shown put on the left and that it's differently configured in the software, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on the right directly. With the connector towards the rest of the part, apparently. So that must be like so and like so. Seems logical enough. We need some M3 screws, 3 by 8. So the head is 3, length, then 8-ish, so we have to get 3 of those. 1, 2, 3, because the third motor mount will go with the pulley. So washer, because the screw is gonna be in contact with the ABS, we need a 2.5 bit, I think, yes. And here we go, yes. Washer. The acrylic feels a bit more sturdy than I thought it would. So that's a good surprise, because everyone is complaining about it, saying it's way too brittle and you have to print basically any part you see in acrylic, you have to print it in ABA or PLA, in ABS or PLA, or buy some aluminum replacement or whatnot, or carbon fiber, but I'm not sure you need to do that. Maybe not for this mount, let's say. So now there's a pic showing only one mount on one side with spacer, pulley, spacer, and I guess screw, and the other one is showing 2 mounts with a spacer, pulley, screw directly. And it's the M3 by 25 screw, alright. And its head goes right through the spacer. So it's either supposed to be mounted with a washer, or it's not supposed to be mounted against the spacer. But it won't work with 2 spacers. You can see that the screw is not long enough to screw into the stepper motor if we use 2 spacers. So I guess we're gonna go with 1. Screw, pulley, spacer. And it's gonna be pretty damn loose. Is it made to be like so? They included 2 washers in the set, so maybe we have to go screw, pulley, spacer, washer, washer, acrylic, stepper motor. And there's less play. Feels better like so. We'll see down the road if it does work or not. And the pulley goes like so. Got one there, yes. There's no spacer. So we cannot align it like so. That's starting to be a bit tedious. It's too small. That one. Let's put it right at the edge of the pulley. It doesn't work. Like so then. Are you supposed to get some support from the other side? No. How much play can we have? That should do it. Well, it's step 2 only, and it's already a bit tedious. The booklet looked good. When you see that, you get, you know, good impression. But the instructions, my gosh, they're bad. They're really, really bad. So, okay, done with that. Now we're gonna go screw, T-nut. Do they go like so? Yes, they do. Okay. Screw, T-nut, screw, T-nut, and screw, T-nut. Yes, and we're going to want one of these, yes. there. Yes, yes, and this. Is it high enough though? Well, it has to be, I guess. Right. Ah, damn it. Forgot to put some washers. Hopefully the nut is still in front. No. Not gonna work. Okay. So I'm inserting them a bit further because if I need to tighten the belts later on, I'll just have to loosen these 3 screws and put the assembly a bit backward. So we don't need that part. We don't have any use. I guess it's because people used to over tighten that screw, and bending the acrylic, it would then of course crack. So they've changed the program, but still include the parts. Well, some of them. Part 2 is done.